Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Jeep Patriot Sport, stock reference number 4439. This shape runs from the 5th month 2011 through to the 12th month 2016. It has a 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. Tidy radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right-hand headlight, right-hand corner lamp, left-hand headlight, left-hand corner lamp, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror. This vehicle's fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Both left-hand doors have one small dent each. Left rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover, non-tow bar type. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right guard also appears to have no damage. And a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with tan cloth interior. It's got a tan vinyl center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster. Vehicle's only done 108,000 Ks, and a tidy leather 3-spoke steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.